going on, guys? I'm on call. It's Saturday. Got a no cooling call. Got here to the apartment and the indoor blower motor's not running. Coil's starting to ice up. So when I flip the fan to on the thermostat, I hear the clicking sound, but no indoor blower motor. So we'll pull the cover off here and check the thermostat. Go for the easy stuff first. Try to check that, and we'll check inside here at the air handler as well. So let me get the cover off here and we'll see what's going on. Taking a look at the outdoor unit here. Ice is starting to melt off the lines. And it looks like it's starting to melt off of the compressor. And the accumulator and all the lines there are still frozen up a little bit. It's about 94 today, so not taking long to melt that stuff. It wasn't too thick too, so hopefully we'll get this back up and running here. Alright, go back inside and take a look. Alright, we got the cover off here. I'm going to check the cap, see what we're getting on that. Alright, it's a 7.5 microfarad. And we're getting 7.5. Alright, so the cap's good. Motor spins freely. Wiring all looks alright. Alright, well, put the disconnect back in here. And we will jump out the thermostat here. See if it fires up. Put one on green. Oops. And we'll put one on red. Go. Looks like a bad thermostat. I like the easy ones on a Saturday. I'll take it. Alright, I'm gonna run to the shop and grab a thermostat. I'll be right back. Alright, now with these here, just go wire for wire. Red, blue is common, yellow, green, and white. They're not heat pumps, so I don't know why the contractor's hooked up the orange. There's no reversing valve, it's just straight AC. Change my bit. The white is for your heat strip. Green is your fan. Yellow is our AC. Blue is our common. C, which is blue wire, common. Watch that doesn't touch the red. You will fry a fuse. Orange is not used. And red is your power. Okay. And our mounting bolts, screws, whatever. Long screws, not thermostat screws, but it's what every thermostat on this property is mounted with. So I just reuse them. Alright, let me get the other one set up. Okay, on our new one, Honeywell Pro 3000, take the cover off, and on the back we want to switch over from gas and oil to electric heat pump, because we have electric heat. Okay, put the cover over here. Oops. Okay, get our screws. These holes line up, same spot as the old thermostat. That will go in C. Okay, so now we will put our red in the RC. Leave the jumper in. Okay. Green will go in G. Yellow in Y, and white in W. I cut off the orange, got it out of the way. Green sticking out a little bit too far than I like to. Alright. Put the cover on and try it out. Okay, let's check the power. Alright, check the fan. There we go, bad thermostat. Alright, I'm going to button this all back up and go home. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.